Top 5. Nisus gyroplane. The Nisus gyroplane is a highly versatile and agile aircraft designed to make flying more accessible to everyone, with compact dimensions measuring 4,750 millimeters in length and 1,900 millimeters in width. It is easy to store and transport, making it perfect for pilots on the move. Equipped with a Rotax 915IS turbo engine generating 141 horsepower, it delivers impressive performance, cruising at speeds between 130 and 160 kilometers per hour, with a maximum speed of 195 kilometers per hour, requiring only 200 meters for takeoff and 150 meters for landing. The Nisus is both efficient and user-friendly, making it an excellent option for aspiring aviators. Top 4. Air 1. The Air 1 is a technology demonstrator designed for both rural and urban travel. With a sleek, modern look, it offers a cruise speed of 155 miles per hour and a range of 110 miles, making it ideal for longer journeys. A standout feature is that both passengers can access the controls, allowing for co-piloting. Powered by electric motors, the aircraft utilizes 8 stacked propellers, contributing to its lightweight build of 2,138 pounds. Its fixed-wing design and high main wing improve efficiency, while the canopy ensures excellent visibility. With its advanced design, the Air 1 marks a major step forward in personal air mobility. Top 3. Star Bumblebee 2. Designed by Robert H. Starr, the Star Bumblebee 2 holds the distinction of being the world's smallest biplane, built to reclaim the record. After its earlier Bumblebee I, this aircraft boasts a compact structure with negative staggered, cantilevered wings. Made from welded steel tubing and plywood, it achieves a balance between a lightweight frame and impressive performance. Equipped with a Continental C85 engine, the Bumblebee 2 can reach a top speed of 190 miles per hour and climb at a rate of 4,500 feet per minute. Its clever design, featuring flaps and ailerons on the wings, enhances both lift and maneuverability, solidifying its place as a remarkable achievement in aviation history. Top 2. Bead BD-5. The Bead BD-5 Micro, designed by Jim Bead, is a legendary single-seat, home-built aircraft that gained popularity in the 1970s for its affordability and sleek, fighter-like appearance. With a streamlined fuselage, a V-tail, and retractable landing gear, the BD-5 delivered outstanding performance. With minimal drag, its modular design let builders choose between 2 wing sizes, the longer B wing for greater range, or the shorter A wing for aerobatic flying. Though over 5,000 kits were sold, the project ran into difficulties due to engine reliability problems. Top 1. Cricri MC-15. The Cricri MC-15, created by Michel Colombin, holds the title of the world's smallest twin-engine aircraft, celebrated for its distinctive design and simplicity, featuring a cantilever, low wing, and a single-seat enclosed cockpit. The Cricri is constructed from aluminum sheet, bonded to Clegicel foam, making it remarkably lightweight. Its twin engines are positioned near the center line, enabling pilots certified only for single-engine planes to fly it. Designed for convenience, it is easy to assemble, store, and transport with aerobatic capabilities, a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour, and a range of 460 kilometers. The Cricri seamlessly blends practical usability with innovative engineering,